under it. The report will indicate how many percentage of somebody else's work you took. And I'm now encouraging you with experience that you should not take more than 2% of somebody else's work. Whereas we have a law that is less than 1. Everything may be less than 1, so be it. But 1 is okay. Are you getting what I'm saying now? But when it's gone 2, it's manageable. 3 is bad. So you look at it and reduce it. By the time you are reducing it, you read it again. You look at the flow. Some of you are using paraphrase for me, keyboard. And you just copy and paste it, you are making error. Once keyboard paraphrase for you, read it to make sense. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Read it to what? To make sense. Because paraphrase is not an human being. Read it to make sense. You are doing mathematics, you are doing maybe algebra, or you are doing something similar. Paraphrase can turn into another language that is outside what you are doing. And once examiner pick this, you are in trouble. You are in trouble. You see? Maybe there's a block in mathematics. Maybe when you are calculating your fraction, whatever, Professor Edrich, and all these things. Keyboard can turn into a cement. Block and cement are they not the same thing? But it's not the same thing in your thesis. Am I communicating now? That is why you need to be very careful about this. Very, very careful about this. Now, let's continue now. I've told you about the preface declaration, which is essential in your thesis and dissertation. Your abstract should not be more than 500 words. Maximum of 500 words. Maximum of 500 words. And 1 paragraph. What did I say? And 1, I didn't hear you. 1 paragraph. Abstract doesn't have 2, 3 paragraphs. Only 1 paragraph of 500 words, which is more or less a full page. Then with keywords. Yes, with keywords. Keywords of minimum of 3 and maximum of 10. Minimum of 3 and maximum of what? Of 10. Minimum of 3 and maximum of 10. Then your dissertation or thesis may have some acronyms. Acronyms. Then list of tables. Acronyms, list of tables, list of figures, list of figures, and so on and so forth. There is no stereotype way of rearranging these prefaces, but everything that needs to be in your preface must be there. Cover page, declaration, dedication, declaration of plagiarism, declaration of copyright, declaration of the work. Every declaration, everything in the preface must start on the fresh page. Fresh what? Fresh page-ish. Fresh page is fresh page. Don't combine two. Don't say because it's only 3 lines, let me combine them together. No. Is on fresh page. Fresh page. So, some of you we've demonstrated the electronic table of content. Some of you, majority of you, I've taught you, I've demonstrated electronic table of what? Of content to us, which will assist you a lot. Even when you are having the list of tables, the list of figures, acronyms, those things can assist you. Now, colleagues, your chapter 1 begin with